So welcome back guys. My name is Amlan and in today's Make March Free campaign, we go about looking at fixing a certain issue. Now many Android users complain that when they have a dual SIM setup, they often have problems registering network on the second SIM. Now if you are using a OnePlus or you are using a Samsung or a Oppo or maybe any other Android, and if you are having this type of problem, let's look at how you can fix this. So here I have double SIM. So I have a Geo SIM and an Idea SIM. The first thing that I need to do is head towards my settings, head towards connections, head towards SIM card manager, and first just ensure that both the SIMs are actually turned on, because that's also pretty important. Sometimes, when there's an Android update or by mistake, the SIM may have been turned off. So you need to just ensure that the SIMs are turned on. Head towards mobile network, ensure that the data roaming is turned on. Also ensure that the network has been correctly configured, because oftentimes the network configuration may not have been done correctly. Now, well, if all of this has been done correctly, now the most important step, go towards the networks operator. Here, like for the second SIM, you simply select the second SIM, whichever it is. Suppose it's not able to find network automatically, what you can do is just untoggle the automatic network selection, and this will automatically try searching for manual networks. So let this search for manual networks and let's hold on for a while. Now there you go, it has successfully found certain networks. Since I'm using a Geo SIM, quite obviously I need to tap on the Geo network for it to get successfully registered. So hopefully this should work. If this doesn't work, also you may try doing the access point network method. Simply tap on access point network, select the SIM for which the network is not available, and here what you need to do is simply reset to default. Resetting the APN settings has also often proved to troubleshoot this issue. Now, if all of this is done like APN, network operators, network configuration, and other things, one of the most effective things that you should be doing is heading towards your general management, then here tapping on reset, and then resetting network settings. And since this is a question of the second SIM, which happens to be Geo in my case, I select the second SIM and then tap on reset settings. Prompted for screen pattern, go ahead, give that, and then tap on reset. Once I tap on reset and the network settings have been reset, you will see that it will try searching for network, and in a few moments it will be able to find all networks for primary as well as my secondary SIM. So all of this really goes and plays a big role. Another thing that you can try doing is just check whether you have a software update available. Oftentimes it's been found, especially in OnePlus, that maybe the Android update goes ahead and helps solve this issue. So maybe a simple update may go ahead and fix this. Other common solutions may be like simply turning on the flight mode, which means that all network connections are disabled at this point of time. So it's like a buffer for the network right now created. Then go ahead and disable this, and again the network connections are enabled, and at this point of time you will find that it often kind of does well. Turn off the power saving mode, it really is not important at this point of time. At this point also you can reboot the phone, just like restart the phone, and it can work. Well, for me the thing that really worked was, like I said, I simply went to my settings and I actually gone to my general management and I went to reset and I reset the network settings. That really worked for me. And for a few people, what they say is like what actually worked for them is heading towards like mobile networks and then selecting like the net SIM for which the network is not available and doing a manual selection. And for some it was actually going ahead and just having a new update which actually took care of everything. So it really depends on what actually works for you. So do let us know what actually works, and if you find this tutorial helpful, and if you do, please do kind of subscribe to the channel, tap on the bell icon for notifications, please leave a comment below, and please do share this on social networks like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and all those wonderful things. For technical solutions and troubleshooting measures like this, please subscribe to the channel. Until next time, it's me Amlan signing off. Catch you on the other side.